हेलो गाइस,
नमस्कार भाई और बहनों, सहयात्रिकों, दोस्तों। आप लोग अभी विंजिन ब्लॉग्स देख रहा है
देख रहा है
और इस मामले
Only
में
one person is watching.
अभी एक खतरनाक वीडियो आ रहा है। आप सबकी स्वागत, मेरा मन से स्वागत। देखना, एंजॉय करना।
You can talk in the language which you know.
Yeah, but I know Hindi too.
But this is a little better because
you.
he's been practicing this from past
Who told?
week.
Who told?
From past
Who
week.
told?
Today while
This
he
is
was
our
in shower
outcome.
also, I heard him talk to himself. I know what you were doing in the shower.
I was not practicing.
You were definitely practicing. Otherwise,
मुझे
fluently.
हिंदी बहुत अच्छा आता है यार। मैं बहुत नेटिव तरह
नेटिव
speak करता
तरह
है।
स्पीक करता
क्योंकि
है.
मैं नॉर्थ इंडिया में थोड़ा विलेज साइड स्टाइल।
This is village style? Is this?
Yeah.
Oh
थोड़ा
my God. थोड़ा you know?
थोड़ा रग स्टाइल में बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है?
बात कर रहा हूँ.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Anyways, welcome guys.
I forgot what we were going to tell itself. You
I know I'm
ruined it.
too magnetic and this kind of
You're
things,
pathetic. You're not magnetic.
So I'm Vinay
And I'm Sneha.
and
Welcome to Vinjin Vlogs.
So, what are we doing today is the question that I ask her in every video, but this time we have asked you
Our
guys.
Instagram followers.
Yes, and we have got response and
Because we were really confused.
Yeah.
He had an opinion and I had my opinion, so we were not able to decide between the two. So
yeah,
we
but
thought
my opinion and you guys' opinion.
it's always me.
Mismatch.
Thank you guys. Whoever made me win.
What?
Opting for
Oh.
makeup for Sneha.
So
Doing makeup for Sneha.
yeah.
He thought maximum people would want to watch him learn Kannada,
But then I thought I understood why they didn't say
actually
that.
still people are there who want to see that also.
People are there.
So we'll do that as well. But then first for this week it's going to be
Makeup with Vinjin.
So Vinay is going to be my makeup man for today. As
Hello,
you all
hello,
can
hello.
see, nothing else.
Makeup man alla. Makeup artist. Like
Okay,
stylist. I'm top 3. I'm level 3 stylist. So we are going to get into the position of makeup because I want in a certain angle so that I can do my best. So let's
Begin. I'm so excited.
really.
Yeah, extremely excited.
This is
For
simple.
you to fail.
So basically, I'm going to go with the 2-step process. One is the face and then the hair.
Oh,
Because, you know.
You're doing my hair
Yeah,
as
of
well.
course. So please, can you please put this, please?
Actually, you're supposed to be very professionalism. Professionalism, this no one will do by Rafael Nadal. Put. Crappy thing you have to tell. Looking like butterfly. Anyways.
You're
That's
gonna
all
help
right.
you, I guess. Is my hair looking fine?
Yeah, your hair is not fine.
Fair?
Your
Fair
hair is not fine.
fine.
I'll make it fine. So,
Fair is not fine.
so I have to work with these products, is it? Okay, you
Yeah.
want to explain something about this?
You are going to explain what is what and everything.
You know
I am not
everything.
going to explain.
Okay,
anything.
anyways, so let's.
He knows everything. All the products
Wow.
he's bought. He's bought it.
No. Don't tell me so. Okay,
Don't tell me so.
Anyway, so let's start.
So before that, I'd like to tell that I have no
No.
fancy products. It's all very basic. Extremely basic because
you don't need them. Because
it's
otherwise.
it's not about I don't need them. I don't know how to use like concealer or this contouring and all. I cannot do all those things. I'm not patient enough to do these things. I just have the basic look. It's like, okay, I'll give you like 2 options. Do you wanna
You are not giving me options. I am giving you options.
listen?
Now tell me.
Are you gonna do like a go-to makeup that I usually how I get ready for our videos,
Okay.
or like if you're going for a party, don't put it on your face. That's for my face.
My face is very clean.
It's not okay. Yeah. Did
Party
you
look,
listen?
party look,
Yeah,
or
it's
video
like
look.
the shiny, glowy kind of look,
I think I'll go
or
for
just
the party
like
look.
video how
Party.
I get ready.
I like to take the tough one, so I'll take the party
It's
look.
not any tough. It's just a matter of one more
See, you don't need to
that's
explain those things. Styles matter, you know. Please. So let's start.
Begin.
So let me begin with first moisturize.
Am I looking funny?
No, you're not looking funny. You're looking like butterfly.
I don't want to look like a butterfly.
No,
What
it's
is
fine.
this?
Can you put this hair back, please? I'm just gonna
Don't tie my hair.
Then, not allowing.
No.
Idonnu samayiki.
Isha.
Put off. Okay, I'll adjust with this. Put it
It's
behind.
fine.
It will touch.
It's
the
not gonna come.
Ah,
No,
okay.
it's alright.
So first I'm going to go with moisturizing the face because it's dry, and going to put the Olay hand cream. So first
The
we need
weather
to
is like that. My skin is
yeah,
good on it.
I understand. So you need to take 2 dollops of hand cream,
Chupa!
face cream on your hand. So now what you need to do is
Okay.
stay. You need to put dots all over the face because you should not miss any part of the face. That is the main important part, right? So nose is very important. Normally nose is an oily spot. So this is called as a T spot. But then this, this beside the lips and all this Misha place and all these places here. So all these places
It's
you
too
need to be
much
very careful.
moisture. Of the thing kept you.
Come here. So now, and the next part when you're putting the moisturizer is that. So I'm telling this to you guys because you must learn because this is top 3. This is level 3 level thing stuff, So you should not smudge it too much. You need to dab it kind of, and then that's why we put so many spots. So that spot should be applicable only to that particular smaller area. And first you need to do an initial smudge before the cream dries. So why are you laughing? You didn't know all this? Anyway.
There's so much moisturizer on my
I know
face.
That's not a problem. I
It's
need
gonna
this
make my face look so oily.
You are going for party, right?
So?
Party, the problem is liquor might fall on your face.
Liquor will fall on my face. Nothing else is there.
Yeah. Where are you going back?
Sorry.
Please stay.
Steady.
No problem. Lips also you need to moisturize sometimes because nose. All these are very important places and you need to check.
I'm getting a nice massage today.
Yeah, that's alright.
Oh, neck and
So now, after putting this, what we need to do is you need to use the light and check whether everything is clean. So, teeth is yellow, okay? Brush your teeth properly. Anyways, please don't laugh. Please be serious. So, see, face moisturized. So next, what are we going to do is?
Who will handle a person's face like that?
I'm professional. That's it. So next, we are going to put the glow. All right. BB? BB. Oh, BB. Okay. BB also okay. Okay. BB. So let's put some BB now.
I don't use foundation.
And may I ask you the full form of BB?
I don't use foundation because it's
No, I asked
my skin is extremely sensitive and I start getting pimples, so I usually try and avoid. This is like a soft look, so I use
What?
BB. I don't know what it is.
Yeah,
What
try
is it?
It is best.
Oh, best. I don't know what BB's full form is.
Does any of you guys know? Because I want to know.
Brightness.
Balance.
Who knows?
BB plus. Anyways, so same process. Dot. You should not put too much BB because it looks very cakey on the face, and we don't want cakey look on the face, especially when you're going for party.
You have to keep it as natural as possible.
Yeah, and you put BB all around. Like that.
Under eye beku.
Of course, it's coming. That is a dark shadow look.
It's not a shadow look.
Natural shadow look. So you need to put down. Okay. Next, you're going to take the sponge.
It's called beauty blender. It's a sponge.
No, actually that's a local name for the
Sponge is
consumers.
also okay, but then
No. In our circle we call it a sponge.
Okay, can you just
Simple,
do it? Yeah.
So we need to dab it like that, push it into the skin, push it up. Okay, so that just blends inside. So the main thing is not to smudge around your face. The main point of this is to push it inside.
ಇವನ್ ಕಣ್ಣೊಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
No problem. The main idea is to push it inside your skin pores, to be more specific and technical about it. But then it's not a problem. So you guys can see, okay, maybe you cannot see this side. You can show that side, please. See how nicely it has got blended. Everyone cannot do it, I know, because there's a little bit knack involved in professionalism. Anyways, do you know?
Oh, I'm learning from you only.
I know. What to do. To be... Okay.
Okay,
I should do in this business. I'm being what? Braggian.
That is so it's always there.
Then
But
what is it? Tell.
no, the way you're dabbing is good. It's not too hard or
You know what? I know that. Tell the people who are watching it.
That's what I told you.
Tell.
Ayyappa, kannu.
Close your eyes, please. When I come near eyes, you should close automatically. I cannot explain. Professionalism, no, that is the problem. You're too fast. Okay.
Did you put too much?
No, not really. Again,
Am I looking to that
inspection.
stupid dirty light? Throw it away.
All good. I think a little bit extra here.
See?
Show me. Can you look at me? Oh, that's good. No,
How is it?
It's okay. You don't see your face because you have no permission.
Don't make it like a layer or something,
No.
please.
Show me. Cool. Really good. Okay. So that's done. Yeah, it's really good. Show me. Look at me. Perfect. Now, since it's a party look, we need some glitter. So, what better than a golden glitter? Silver is not
Glitter.
good. Yeah, glitter. So this is
It's
something.
called radiance. Glitter.
Golden radiance. Need to put a tad little bit, So it's like a cream, but it really helps to glitter the face up. So the same process. Put it all around the face, little bit.
What a background music. Sako,
Wait. Please don't interfere with my skills. Come here. Now again, dabbing process starts. I'm not sure you guys can see the what do you call glow from this because it's but
shiny.
I can already see the glitter on your face.
Obviously, you have to put it as less as possible. You
Yeah.
have taken one.
You see, please. You have given me right this
Okay.
task.
Okay.
You see final product and then this
Okay,
right.
cool.
Cool. Anyways,
It's like you're painting my face or something.
yeah, no problem.
You said you have to dab it, but you're painting your.
See, there are few creams that need to be dabbed. There are few creams that need to be painted because it's a very artistic job, Yeah,
I know it is extremely artistic, but okay. Anyways,
Okay.
okay.
Show me. Please. Too good. Never did like this to you. I mean, you never done this to yourself. That much, too good. I must say. Okay. Anyways, so that's done. So the glow is done, and next, what we are going to do is blushing. So you want to blush, right?
Now it's it?
So now it's
Okay.
Few people will put it in the end, but I don't believe in the end blush part because there are few tricks I don't like to expose now. But anyways, so I'm gonna put some.
He
take some
chose the
blush.
right brush, anyways.
What is Symbol case. So now, so much powder. That's good. All right, that's done.
Too much madida.
No. Can you look at me, please? Okay. Cool. Looks good.
This is not professional. You didn't ask me to smile. You didn't ask me to do fish face.
Okay.
Why are you bringing this now?
That and all is there. Please don't interfere in my style. Alright, done. Can you look at me, please? Now can you smile? Alright, super. It looks like apple.
Too much?
No, not at all. Now next, I'm
This one
going
will
to.
do too much. Just over.
Next, shall I do eye setup? Because I'm the best in the industry for the eyelining and all
Me,
this stuff.
industry. Oof.
Yeah, of course in the
Ah,
industry.
enough.
So you want me to do your eyes next? Is that what you're interested?
I don't know. You can still
So
select whatever is.
let's put some kajal mascara.
You left out one.
What?
thing. What is it?
What is it?
Mascara you'll put first?
No, you tell me what did I leave out?
You tell me. You said you're going to do my eyes. What is the
Yes.
first thing that you're going to
Maybe
do?
I'll put some nice eyelining wing.
Eyeshadow haku first.
Oh, you want eyeshadow? I thought you didn't need it. Just tell me your preferences, because-
Oh, preferences.
Yeah. Anyways, no problem.
Oh,
So can you close your eyes properly,
I did.
please? You're not. That is too much. Very windy. Close normally.
I'm closing normally.
So you put it from the top. You need to do your eyebrows. Alright?
My eyebrows are fine.
Yeah, eyebrows are fine, but there are little extra brows. So next time when you come, please watch me with this. Because I need to be professional. When others see your face and you say that Vinjin did it or Vinay did it, they should not think.
Oh my god.
You understood, right?
My eyebrows are fine.
Okay. And you don't get to see your face until and unless.
Obviously, I cannot see.
Yeah, you cannot. You shouldn't see.
How is it?
It's good. Show me.
Comment as in when you guys feel
Can
it's
you look
too-
at me once? Okay. It's good. A bit dabbing.
For what are you dabbing at
Close
me?
your eyes, please.
it's wiping everything out.
See, dabbing is the essence. Many
Essence.
people wouldn't know.
Vinay knows. He's doing this from past how many years? I don't know.
See, I don't need to do it. I just know it from
From
reading.
reading. Oh, fuck.
Okay,
Nice.
next we are going for the artistic part. Precise eyeliner. So, I'm not going to ask you what you want because I'm going to give you what.
I have just one thing to tell. Don't overdo things. Please don't overdo.
Okay. No issues. Still. Okay. Still.
Okay.
Still as eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
You
Close
should
your
make
eyes.
me laugh. Don't make me laugh.
See
Please
this.
don't make me laugh. I cannot control. Sorry. Okay, sorry.
Okay. Come here. Close your eyes. You are like this. I'm telling you. What will I do? See that? Okay, close properly.
Closed.
Okay. Can you look at me? Your eyes are not closed, you know.
What is this?
Okay.
Do this. Ready? No comments. Don't tell you're feeling like this. Are you doing something for me? Maybe.
So guys, when you do eyeliner, you need to have a steady hand. Otherwise, don't go for this work. Alright. Especially in this makeup industry, you know, steady hands is the key. Okay. You don't laugh. You don't have a steady face.
That is the problem. Can you close your eyes? This unprofessional environment, I cannot work. See, I have next appointment. Please let me go. With whom do you have? You can. With John Abraham. John Abraham. Close your eyes again.
Close
I'm showing like this. This is the way I will not do. This will get dry.
Sorry.
Should be symmetrical.
Oh, symmetry.
Can I see your eye?
Yes.
Can you open your eyes?
I'm
No,
sure.
wait. It's a party look.
You know, matter than
Hey, close your eyes, man. Alright. Can you look at me? It's too good actually.
Too good.
Yeah. Now I have to replicate this.
Where are you bringing that wing?
Alright. Perfect.
I think what is the
Show
idea?
me. No, it went till here. Show this way.
Oh, this side, sorry.
I know, I am photographic memory.
See the way he's pulling and pushing my head. Have you guys seen anyone do makeup like this? Pulling.
Can you?
Ah, yes.
Cool.
That's all.
That's a fun
So can I see your face, please? Perfect. Okay.
How is it?
Eyeliner is done. Now next, mascara. Alright. I'm going for the top eyeliner look, so not, I'm not going to do the down one. This
As you say.
fluorescent color mascara.
It's not fluorescent.
Come. So you need to curl it up. Okay, guys? Curl it up. See, I don't need to look at it.
Enough.
Yeah,
Put
that's-
it on my nose or something.
No. Close.
How does it?
Can I see? Cool. It's good. Okay, it's good.
Hope everyone feels the same.
Yeah,
Not
they will
just
definitely.
you.
Nah. So after the mascara, next we are going to the lips. So now I'm going to take this one. This is Pinky Red Lips Matte Finish. Maybelline. So
Burnt and kept, I think.
No. This one all we use generally in the industry.
Oh, okay, boss.
So you want me to put it directly or with the brush? It's your choice, you know.
You
Perfect.
put it directly, no issue.
No, I think I want to use the brush. I'm just going to be a little more professional.
Then why did you ask?
Chuma, just like that. So which one is the brush for this? You use normally because I don't want to mix it up, you know. This one?
You
Good.
put in whichever brush you think is the brush for.
Okay. So I'm going to use this. No problem.
Wait.
What with you? Nothing.
Jasti, you shouldn't
No,
make
you-
it too dark. I don't
Set,
like
set,
it to be
set,
too
set.
dark. Okay.
So you dab it from down. That's the way you have to do. You don't smile. I didn't ask you to smile. No. I'm going for a very light look because she says that she doesn't like. And lipstick has to be one's choice. It cannot be forced. So you know.
Hold.
Slowly, very professionally. Saliva not coming.
It's my brush, my lipstick, my saliva. What's your problem?
No problem.
Now can you eat puffs?
What?
Or parota? Chapati? Like that? Come on.
That action is
Call it eating puffs.
Yes. See, you're doing correctly. So you know. Can I just do some?
Obviously, I know this. What is this? You messed it up, is it?
Not really.
Has it made it too dark?
Who are you asking?
Putting.
Because you're laughing, it's totally spoiling. Can you show me your face? It's here. Okay, show me. Can you look at me first? Can you smile? Little more smile? No, proper. Can you?
Enough,
Okay.
yeah.
So next, so you should not waste lipstick, right? So you do this. So now you want to give an extra enhance to the cheeks. So what you need to do? Take this, put two, three dots like that. It's like a hat, you know. Okay.
Enough.
And then take a hand, very gently. It's like as if someone pinched here or something, you know. That kind of look. Like a cute look, you should say. That's what we call it in the industry. It's a C look, cute look. Okay? Can you show me this? Cool. So whenever you do that, the dabbing should be this way, and then this.
Chumma.
Tricks.
Chumma.
Can you look at, please?
Ah, okay.
Okay. So now perfectly phased, everything is done. Now we'll quickly go to the hair because.
Wipe your hand and lipstick like that. Don't touch my hair with
I'm
that.
the master chef. I can do whatever I want.
He's calling himself professional,
Yes.
but then it's the first ever time he's doing makeup kind of thing for
Okay.
me. So I
So?
think for that, you're doing a good job.
Thanks. I don't need it, Jen. I'm in the top tier anyways. I get it every now and then, you know.
Now and then.
So now we're going to the hair. Your hair is already combed, so it's not much problem.
Stop putting your hand inside my eye.
My hand and her eye, 1 kilometer difference.
Illa,
You guys
this-
tell. Look at me now. So you take the hair back. We're going for a very subtle look. So
Subtle look.
yeah, with the hair. So I'm just gonna.
Don't tell my hair.
Can you look to the camera, please? Alright. I'm just gonna take like that.
Messy but
Messy look. Out of bed look. You know?
out of bed look.
So already she has cut this fringe which I did for her. So
Oh, it's such a big
Before
mess.
this-
Stop pressing my hair.
no issue.
Already. It's so
Take hair like that. Okay. No problem.
It's fading. What do you mean? Stop making it like chapati.
Show me.
Please.
You gave me chance. You have to keep quiet and sit over.
He's hurting me so bad.
Who is hurting? I will not hurt. Can you look at me? Look at me first. Look at
No, I'm
me.
looking at you.
So now this, which I cut sometime back. Take it like that.
Party and nothing will stand.
Can't see this. Not able to work only. This kind of people come from what will they do? Chumma laughing and sitting. Look at me.
Sorry.
This is Badrinath look. This hair you take and put it back and keep it here.
What the heck are you
See,
doing?
this and all is later, 5 years plus trend. Okay. Then a big box.
Sorry.
Can you turn that side, please? Now I've got it. Perfect. Can you turn this side? Can you turn? Look towards me. So can you see this guy? Perfection. Now turn, please. Now. Okay, you need to stand little.
He's going to do some stupid thing.
Then small pony. Now this is not high pony, low pony. How is the pony? Nothing. This is a. Yeah. Perfect.
What the heck did you do it?
Your style, man.
What kind of?
Yeah, this, you have no idea how it looks. Put inside here. This is very important to the style. Can you show like side angle for your hair? Okay.
Guys.
Cool. Yeah, perfect. I have few hair products is there in my shop, so I didn't bring. But anyways,
What kind of nonsense is this?
it's very good. Don't touch.
Oh, I didn't. You asked me to show, right?
So guys, it's almost how many minutes now? 25 minutes?
Maybe, I don't know.
Of course. And can you look at me once for that? Oh my god, you look just ready for party, you know.
Do I?
It's really good.
He has not allowed me to look at my face through.
Just why? Because you get too much excited. So I look.
Because I'll correct him. I might correct him.
Not
so
really.
that's the reason.
See, this,
I'm sure.
this fringe, you have to keep it. This being should be seen.
I would have praised him more if he hadn't bragged so much. But
Comes part and parcel.
Patsal, okay, Patsal.
But anyways, so I.
So how is it? You guys tell me what's all this stupid nonsense style? But
Style.
I don't know how.
You wait and watch. This will be followed.
I don't know, guys. Just you know what, you guys. I think you guys have to rate Vinay's look.
Be nice. Look.
Vinay's look, Alasha. Vinay's makeup,
Styling.
styling. On 10. Kindly please comment.
And I must
let
say
us
you have
know.
been very cooperative and stuff.
Was
like,
I?
Yeah, kind of little bit not, but okay, no problem. I can manage. So rate this look out of 10 and let me know how it is. There is no reason for it, but let me know.
Hope you all had fun.
So hope you guys enjoyed this video
Yes, guys.
as much as I enjoyed doing it and as much as she enjoyed getting it done.
Super, yes.
Okay, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also go to follow our Instagram page because we'll be asking more and more questions to stay more active.
Yeah.
And don't forget to subscribe because subscription
Please,
is the
guys.
most important thing and it's free, so just please subscribe
Go
to us.
subscribe. Subscribe.
So until the next video, it's bye.
Bye.